Hey guys, it's Will here. Yesterday was my 50th birthday and Bonnie got me an Instant Pot, and I've held off on getting this for quite a while, but I'm excited. I got re-energized to hopefully help create some more recipes once I get into this a little bit more. So anyways, I'm gonna cook up about 5 pounds. I'm gonna steam some potatoes in here. So I just thought I would make a video of that as I do it. So here we go. So I put the potatoes on the rack here, and I'm gonna add 1 cup of water. Okay, now we're gonna put the lid on. So we put the arrow lined up here and rotate that. And then we wanna make sure this is on sealing. And then we're going to hit the steam button. I'm gonna do 15 minutes. And I'm not gonna use the warm because I'm gonna take them out when they're done. And then now it goes to on, and it's gonna be heating up. So I'll catch you later when this thing is done. Okay guys, so here's the potatoes. I let them naturally vent. Just nice, look really good. Okay guys, so I steamed some potatoes, so good. And then if you want, you can cut them up into chunks and make fry them up with some onions. So I dry fry some onions, caramelize them, add the potatoes. You can put a bit of water in there if you want, after you start to caramelize the onions, or veggie broth, whatever you like. And then I put a cashew cream, sour cream on it, but you can put ketchup as well. You can just eat the steamed potatoes. You can put salsa, just pepper, whatever you like. There's so many options. I've got gravy recipes. There's some ones with flour, and there's a white bean gravy if you like. So lots of options. Super impressed with the first Instant Pot attempt to steam potatoes. I want to do rice, steam veggies. I want to make chili, split pea soup. I'm looking at a lazy lasagna. What else? You know, just cooking obviously rice and beans, potatoes, the starches, but making the various recipes. Yogurt, I want to try some soy yogurt. So hopefully I'll be doing more videos and maybe come up with a new recipe book for the Instant Pot. So stay tuned guys. Catch you later.